Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Gadgets for spending time outdoors this fall. BioLite Fire Pit Plus remains a favorite for its ability to generate electricity through thermoelectrics while you enjoy a wood fire that is near smokeless. The mesh screening gives you full visibility, and the Fire Pit Plus also can burn charcoal for cooking. There are accessories. You can control the flames via Bluetooth too. Find more at BIOLITEEnergy.com. Less techy but fun indoors or out are the tabletop fire pits from Colson. They are rectangular or round, made of beautifully designed concrete, and burn isopropyl alcohol. That makes them clean, and the flame can last for about 45 minutes. The site is colsenfirepits.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.